Hello everyone. Myself Kavya from CSC, studying Srinath Institute of Technology, Mangaluru. So today I'm going to speak about innovation and design thinking workshops on imagination and innovative ideas. So my topic is water tank level indicator. So water is a precious resource essential for all forms of life on Earth. So an effective way to manage water resources more efficiently is the use of water tank indicator detector. So tank water sensors are devices designed to measure and monitor the water level in a tank or a container. So these sensors are very useful for many of applications such as home appliances, domestic water tanks, industrial usage, agriculture purposes, etc. So the primary benefit of this indicator is its ability to help users make informed decisions about their water usage. So a water tank level indicator is a vital tool for efficient water management. So these devices also contribute to safety and convenience. So some of the materials required for this is water resistor, microcontroller, LED, wires, power supply, etc. So in this diagram, you can see that red LED indicates almost full and yellow LED indicates 3 by 4 full and green LED indicates 1 by 2 full. And the buzzer which indicates almost full and it leakages. So this is how we can use the sensors to manage the water resources, which is very essential for human life. Thank you.